In this Safeland video, we will look at how groups work. Safeland is all about collaboration. This can be done in public, or it can be done privately within Safeland groups, such as a neighbourhood watch group or a group of your friends and family. If you tap Groups in the menu, we can take a look. Now, if you haven't joined or created a group yet, this screen will look fairly empty. To join an existing group, press the plus icon in the top right corner. Here, you can search through existing groups. There are 3 different kinds of groups in Safeland. Open groups, with a globe icon, are for anyone, and anyone can join directly. Locked groups, with a padlock icon, are managed by the group administrators, and you will need to ask their approval to join. Request to join and wait for a response. There are also private groups, which are also managed by administrators. However, those groups are not visible here. You can only join these groups if you have been directly invited by the group administrator. If you have been invited to join a group and you already have a Safeland account, you should receive a notification under Notifications. Open the tab and join the group. You will also receive an email with information on how to join the group too. Because Safeland is about collaboration, we've made it easy for you to collaborate with other group members. Once you have joined a group, you can chat with members of the group completely privately and in real time here. You can add text and even share photos if you want. Don't forget, you also have the option of posting an event on the Safeland map and make it only visible to a group you're a member of, rather than making it public. This feature is great for reporting local issues, such as antisocial behaviour, things that you don't necessarily want anyone outside of your community seeing. For tips on how to do this, please refer to the tutorial video, How to Create a Post in Safeland.